If you're looking to lose belly fat in the comfort of your home, this video is perfect for you. I'll guide you through 5 simple exercises designed to flatten your stomach within a month. Pay close attention to the 5th exercise. It's a game changer. Stick around until the end of the video. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ab crunches. Ab crunches are among the most effective exercises for strengthening the abdominal muscles. The primary muscle targeted in the classic variation is the rectus abdominis. Variations of this exercise, such as bicycle crunches, engage the oblique and transverse abdominal muscles, while reverse crunches specifically target the lower part of the abs. Ab crunches activate both the rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis muscles, leading to their strengthening and growth. With regular practice, you'll notice improved definition and tone in your abs. Crunches activate numerous muscles, resulting in increased calorie expenditure, aiding in overall energy expenditure and the reduction of excess fat. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are an aerobic exercise commonly used in fat-burning workouts. This exercise engages the entire body and quickly elevates your heart rate. It's a simple yet effective exercise that doesn't require any equipment or advanced skills. Jumping jacks target various muscle groups including the glutes, quadriceps, hip flexors, abdominals, and shoulders. By incorporating jumping jacks into your routine, you can tone muscles, improve joint strength, enhance coordination, and boost endurance. Number 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an exercise focused on engaging the muscles of the lower body and abs while targeting subcutaneous fat for burning. This exercise primarily targets the abdominal muscles, buttocks, thighs, and lower legs. Performing mountain climbers involves supporting your body weight on straight arms, which engages the triceps and partially activates the back muscles. Additionally, mountain climbers strengthen ligaments and tendons throughout the body. This exercise effectively works large muscles such as the quadriceps and glutes, leading to a significant calorie burn that aids in shedding extra pounds. The rapid pace of mountain climbers also contributes to boosting metabolic processes in the body, further promoting weight loss. Number 4. Burpees. Burpees are widely regarded as one of the most effective fat-burning exercises. They engage a wide array of muscle groups, including the pectorals, back, deltoids, biceps, triceps, glutes, thighs, and calves. Regular practice of burpees contributes to overall muscle strength and development throughout the body. Due to its high intensity, burpees are known to significantly boost metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn and facilitating weight loss. This exercise combines 3 movements: push-ups, squats, and jumping, performed at a rapid pace, making it challenging yet highly effective for burning fat. Number 5. Plank. The plank is a relatively simple yet highly effective exercise. It engages all muscle groups, effectively targeting both external and internal muscles. The plank is a static exercise performed in a prone position. Its uniqueness lies not in performing numerous repetitions, but in focusing on the duration of execution. This allows you to burn approximately 20 kilocalories per minute. Engaging the abdominal muscles, back muscles, glutes, calves, and arm muscles, the plank enhances posture, boosts endurance, and maintains muscle tone. Particularly beneficial for individuals with a sedentary lifestyle prone to lower back pain due to weak core muscles, this exercise aids in strengthening the necessary muscle groups. There you have it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.